Little Changing Table Topper, white by Little Seeds, is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. The Little Seeds Changing Table Topper combines function with modern styling. The crisp white finish on the laminated particle board offers a clean, modern look to fit with any decor. Add a functional piece to your child's nursery with the Little Seeds Changing Table Topper. Made of laminated particle board, the non-toxic white finish gives the table topper a clean, modern feel. Add the changing table topper to any Little Seeds dresser to create a changing table and simply remove the topper when your child outgrows it to convert back to a youth dresser. Changing table topper fits a standard size changing pad, not included. Complete your child's nursery with other items from Little Seeds, sold separately. The changing table topper ships flat to your door, and minimal assembly is required. The table topper can hold up to 30 lbs. Assemble dimensions: 3. 8125 h by 33. 625 w by 18. 125 d.